Welcome back, everyone. Today we are talking about a new AI tool that claims to be the best new coding agent on the block. It is called Manus, and it is promising to build websites and apps just from your description. We are going to the official site manus.im to check out the features, the hype, and the reality of this AI builder. Let's see if it lives up to the name. So what exactly is Manus? Visiting the site, you are greeted with the concept of an AI that actually does the work for you. This isn't a co-pilot that helps you write lines of code. It is being marketed as an agent that builds the entire project. The website emphasizes the simplicity of the process. Input your idea and let the AI handle the development. Looking at the positives, the ambition is fantastic. For content creators and business owners, the idea of launching a digital product without writing a single line of code is the ultimate goal. Manus seems to understand that pain point and is targeting it directly. The branding and the messaging are clean, suggesting a user-friendly experience is a priority. But we have to be realistic. The major negative, which is apparent immediately, is that it is not widely available yet. The platform offers 3 subscription tiers, starting with the standard plan at $20 per month for 4,000 monthly credits and basic features, then the Pro plan at $40 per month, which doubles the credits to 8,000 for more flexible usage, and finally the business plan at $200 per month, providing a substantial 40,000 monthly credits for large-scale tasks and data analytics, with all plans including 300 daily refresh credits, wide research capabilities, beta access, and 20 concurrent tasks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.